So today we had a great opportunity to really highlight two of our major partners. We had both Norco and Miller, basically our two major sponsors of our welding building. They had the opportunity to be highlighted today. We also had the opportunity to bring out Kev Dog and Dave Kindig from Kindig-It Designs to take a tour of our facility and take a look at what our students are able to accomplish. We really wanted to tie in how education and industry basically come together here at UBTech.
I'm Scott Weaver, Products and Automation Specialist for Norco, and very pleased to be part of the relationship with Miller Electric, one of our best vendor partners at Uinta Basin Technical College. Miller has long recognized the necessity to improve training facilities and provide students with the ability to learn on the best equipment possible. Miller provides fantastic support in the community. It is a true testament to how dedicated they are supporting the future of the welding industry and the future of technical education.
My name is Tony Baumgartner. I'm the outside sales representative for Norco in Vernal, Utah. We are a family-owned and operated business, independently owned. We have been in operation for 70 plus years. This partnership with UBTech, Norco, and Miller started in 2017. And we give the students an opportunity to play with new machines and learn how to use them, as well as come to Norco for whatever else needs they might need for their PPE, their gloves, their safety glasses, jackets, welding helmets, and certain things like that. Great opportunity for these young youth to come in and use this facility here in Roosevelt and grow their skills with welding and expand their knowledge altogether.
Norco is a 70-year-old company who has always invested in the communities that we serve. We are the largest independent welding, safety, and medical products distributor in the United States. We are proud to be employee and family owned, with over 1,300 associates in 7 western states. Part of the relationship with Uinta Basin Technical College has been to develop a relationship with the superior school that produces fantastic students and has a great program. And we are honored and privileged with this relationship to be able to support the students with all of the equipment that you would see in this lab. And again, Uinta Basin Technical College is a fantastic partnership along with our vendor partner, Miller Electric, and we are very pleased and privileged to be a part of this association.
Well, I'm Dave and this is Kevin. We're from Kindig-It Designs in Salt Lake City, Utah. We're all the way out here in Roosevelt to check out UBTech. Now, something that was really impressive about this place is they had an automotive program, but what do they have that's brand new, Kev?
They have this state-of-the-art welding program and facility, and I'll tell you, it does not disappoint. It is amazing. In fact, you're gonna have to buy some more stuff.
Well, I'll tell you what, the fact that we've been using Miller welders for a very long time, and Norco, they supply all of our gas and a lot of our equipment in the shop, and to find out that they had done such a great job of partnering up with UBTech to create this killer facility. This place, I'm not gonna lie, I've already been in there just recently, well, an hour ago. This place is
amazing.
Amazing.
It's amazing.
I mean, that's the understatement of the century. This thing is just a beautiful place. They've got great talent in there, learning how to do their skill. They got great trainers and, of course, great equipment from Norco and Miller.
Well, and the really cool thing about that partnership is it's going to be able to produce some world-class welders for the entire world to use. I mean, without facilities like this, there wouldn't be the opportunity for people to learn how to use these tools.